Hi everyone, my name is Bell Robert and I'm a cybersecurity solution specialist at Bell Canada. And today we're delving into DeepSeek. I'm not going to speak about how good or efficient their model is. Instead, we'll look at the security vulnerabilities uncovered since its public release. I doubt that you've missed the whole mediatic storm about it, but still, DeepSeek is an AI model developed by a Chinese startup and publicly released a few weeks ago. Everyone has been talking about it, not because of its performance. It's very comparable to what is being experienced with other model at the moment, like ChatGPT or Claude, for example, but because of its efficiency. It does what the others are doing, but at a fraction of their cost of their infrastructure. There is still an ongoing debate about this, but its rapid rise has positioned it as a significant player in the AI industry, attracting users globally. However, this swift ascent and the fact that they are Chinese has made it a topic of choice for security researchers in the Western world. And they discovered quite a few things. Let me present to you what we've found so far. First, we should address the governance-related vulnerabilities. A primary concern centers on DeepSeek governance structure. Operating under the jurisdiction of the People's Republic of China, with servers hosted domestically, it raised significant data privacy and security issues for Western organizations. The app's privacy policy indicates extensive data collection, including chat and search histories, keystroke patterns, and IP addresses, all stored on servers in China. This is already a red flag for most American or affiliated organizations. DeepSeek's technology is, however, licensed under an MIT Golden Source license, the gold standard of open source licenses. You can install your own version of your servers. And I've installed it myself and started sniffing the traffic with Wireshark. And clearly, the model transmits data to the external IP addresses. For which purpose? I don't know. But it raises potential privacy issues, even in self-hosted environments. In response to these issues, Microsoft has announced plans to offer a corporate version of DeepSeek, aiming to provide a more secure and enterprise-friendly solution. Then, let's talk about the infrastructure itself. And it has been tested, and some scary elements have been discovered. First, with cloud misconfiguration. Wiz, which is one of the leaders in the cloud security space, had discovered a publicly accessible ClickHouse database associated with DeepSeek, exposing over 1 million lines of sensitive data, including chat histories and API secrets. This is far from being the first case in the matter. Cloud misconfigurations are endemic, and you can see large, reputable organizations like Toyota or Volkswagen, for example, who've been pointed out for leaving exposed, unauthenticated databases for years with millions of personal data exposed. This demonstrates, at best, that DeepSeek neglected their cloud misconfigurations for the sake of speed. Now let's talk about the mobile app itself. DeepSeek's mobile app popularity has soared, and it now ranks #1 on North American mobile app stores. But security researchers revealed that it disabled app transport security, a fundamental iOS protection, resulting in unencrypted data transmission. This flow could allow attackers to intercept and modify sensitive user data. Additionally, the app transmits device information to servers associated with ByteDance, the editor of TikTok, raising further privacy concerns. Lastly, the AI itself has been tested against typical AI attacks. It is still a nascent field, to be frank, but we're 2 years now in the AI LLM craze, and there are some things to compare now. DeepSeek's AI model, R1, has exhibited alarming security flaws. Researchers from Cisco and the University of Pennsylvania conducted tests involving 50 malicious prompts designed to elicit harmful content. Shockingly, DeepSeek's model failed to block any of these prompts, resulting in a 100% attack success rate. In contrast, other leading models demonstrated at least partial resistance to such attacks. So, what are these attacks? Let's first address the jailbreaking attacks. These involve manipulating the AI to bypass its safety protocols, allowing it to generate content it would typically restrict, like for example, how to cook a bomb. DeepSeek R1 model was particularly susceptible to these attacks, easily producing harmful outputs when prompted. Next, we can talk about the prompt injection attacks. This technique tricks the AI into executing unintended commands by injecting malicious prompts, DeepSeek's model was vulnerable to such manipulations, leading to unauthorized actions and responses. Comparatively, DeepSeek's R1 model is 4 times more likely to generate insecure codes and 11 times more prone to producing biased or harmful outputs than OpenAI's O1 model. This stark contrast highlights the deficiencies in DeepSeek safety measures. So, should you use DeepSeek as of today? The answer, from a security perspective, from my perspective, is no. The vulnerabilities are too critical, and if you believe that sending your data to Chinese authorities is a bad idea, then you should prevent yourself from using it. Plus, there's a ton of other alternatives out there, so you should be fine, really. So that's all for today. I see you in the next video. See ya.